got a beard as long as the river, eyes that sparkle like the stars above. The Whisker Man's got tales to deliver, each one filled with life and love. Oh, the Whisker Man with his silver hair, he's seen it all from here to there. In his heart he holds a lamb, the Whisker Man with his weathered hand. He'll tell you stories of the days gone by, of love lost, of the eagle's flight, under the wide and open sky. He shares his wisdom through the night. Oh, the Whisker Man with his silver hair, he's seen it all from here to there. In his heart he holds a lamb, the Whisker Man with his weathered hands. From the mountains high to the valleys low, he's walked every trail, he's felt every woe. But his spirit's strong like the oak that stands, the Whisker Man with his calloused hands. With a laugh that echoes through the pines, he's lived a life that's full and fine. The sage of time with stories grand, the Whisker Man with his gentle hands. Oh, the Whisker Man with his silver hair, he's seen it all from here to there. In his heart he holds a lamb, the Whisker Man with his weathered hands. So listen close to the Whisker Man, he's got the wisdom of the ages span. In the twinkle of his eye you'll understand, the Whisker Man with his loving hand.